First question, obtain an expression for electric field due to an uniformly charged spherical shell. So you see, consider a uniform charged cell Q, radius R, capital R as a radius, charge Q. If you consider a point 1 outside the cell, actually cell, this is a cell, this is a radius R, but you consider the one point outside, this is you take imaginary circle, this is called Gaussian sphere. Imaginary circle is called Gaussian sphere. The imaginary circle radius R. So P be the point outside the shell and distance R from the center. The electric field point radially outwards. Here, this is a positive charge means electric field outwards only, not inwards. It's a positive charge, so electric field outwards, moving away, outwards. Suppose Q is less than 0. Q is less than 0 means it's a negative. It's a negative charge. So Q is positive, greater than 0 means positive. Positive means outwards. Suppose if it is negative means the electric fields inwards. That's all. Consider a spherical Gaussian surface of radius R which encloses to the total charge Q. So this is a total charge Q. So enclose the spherical Gaussian surface. E and D are along the radial outwards. Here, if you consider the spherical here, for example, you take this one sphere. If we take one small area, so the charges are outside, the area also same angle, so both also same angle, so it will become 0 degree. So radially outwards means E and dA both also same, so theta equal to 0. Already you know the formula for electric flux. Integration of this integration is called closed area, closed integral. The closed integral EdA. Here EdA cos theta, general formula, theta is equal to 0, so cos 0 1, so cos 0 degree 1, so 1 into EdA, so E take outside, dA, integration of dA, A, E take outside, integration of dA, closed integration or integration of dA, A, so E into A means whole area, sphere, the area of the sphere 4 pi r square, 4 pi small r square, because of you consider the Gaussian surface area, so radius is small r, so 4 pi r square, so E is equal to 4 pi r square. Take equation number 1. Already you know the formula for Gauss law. Phi is equal to Q by epsilon naught. So both also same. Comparing these two equations, left hand side equal and right hand side equal. So E 4 pi epsilon naught r square equal to Q by epsilon naught. Here see 4 pi square cross multiply. So E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Is nothing but electric field formula. So this amount of electric field present in the point P. Or in vector form you want to write means 4 by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square same only, but it will come R vector. R vector is nothing but unit vectors, the value will become 1. So only they mention the direction. This is a vector form, this is scalar form. So when a point outside the cell, this first condition. Suppose when a point in surface of the cell, suppose this is a cell, same, the point on the surface means R is equal to R. The radius of the sphere and the radius of the Gaussian surface both also same distance, so R is equal to R. Very simple. Before formula already you know that one, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Instead of small r you substitute capital R, so it will become same formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square into r cap. R cap is the unit vector, it's a vector notation, that's all. So 1 by 4 pi Q by r square. Instead of small r you write capital R, that's all. On the sphere or on the surface of the cell. Suppose, third condition, at the point inside the shell, that means R less than R. That means if we consider the sphere or the point inside the circle, here point. So here consider one small imaginary point. This is the inside the circle, inside the sphere. So now there is no charge inside the Gaussian surface. See, if we use positive charge means all the fields are away from the positive charge. Negative means towards, already know them. Suppose if one sphere is charged means or negative charge or positive charge, anyone. The positive charge means outwards, negative charge means inwards. But very important, there is no electric field inside. Because of the inside, the electric field always what? 0 only. So like that, the point inside the sphere, but all the electric fields are outwards. So the Q value 0 inside the point. So same formula, EdA, E into integration of dA, 4 pi r square, area of the sphere. But cos law, you know that one, Q by epsilon naught. You compare these two equation, E 4 pi r square equal to Q by epsilon naught. But Q value already 0, Q is equal to 0 because of the sphere is outside. But the point is inside the sphere, so there is no charge that point, so Q is equal to 0. The Q value substitute here, so 0 divided by anything 0. So this 4 pi r square cross multiply 0 divided by anything, it will become 0. That means there is no electric field inside the conductor or inside the sphere. This electric field due to the uniform charge spherical shell is 0 at all the points inside the cell. That means if we fully charged sphere, outside the electric field present, on the sphere also electric field present, but inside there is no electric field, E always 0 inside the spherical shell.